Hope you are keeping well. This is welcoming you back to Visa Pathfinders channel. This is the unique channel providing you with relevant information, other infotainment and updates across the United Kingdom, United States of America, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, Switzerland, Asia including Singapore, Japan, Qatar, Kuwait and South Korea, the Europe Union such as France, Germany, Italy, Ireland, Malta, Luxembourg, Belgium, Portugal, Sweden, Finland, Denmark, among others. So, this is the right place to be. We are excited to be here and ready to always make your migration dream a possibility by. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, like and share our videos, and hit the all-important notification button so that you don't miss out on any of our new videos. And to all our amazing subscribers, we say thank you so much for being there always. Please share our videos with your friends, families and loved ones and keep watching. Today we are discussing the remarkable news from Canada with the new Canada Permanent Residency PR Express Entry targeting transport occupations 2024. Canada desperately needs additional workers in transport occupations to work in Canada. The Express Entry transport occupations draws were introduced in 2023 as one of the levers at the disposal of the Government of Canada to attract and retain these badly needed workers in these fields. Express Entry, as the name implies, fast-tracks immigration applications. Canada's Immigration Department, Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship Canada IRCC aims to process the majority of applications within 6 months, meaning it is expected that all the processing should be completed within 6 months. That is from application to the approval of permanent residency to move to Canada. Though this is not definite. Why move to Canada as a transport worker? Transport jobs are one of the categories of occupations that Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada IRCC is choosing to prioritize through Express Entry, category-based draws in 2024. At the end of 2023, Statistics Canada released a report stating that there is a gap in the skills needed for Canada's transport labor force. This gap is primarily due to high levels of retirement and evolving technology and automation of businesses and everyday life. This new transport-focused category-based selection round will support the transport sector and its workforce by attracting even more of the skilled talent that companies need to drive innovation and realize their growth potential. Canada's labor shortages could be your opportunity. Express Entry transport occupations draws prioritize transport occupations workers for permanent residency, which comes with the right to live anywhere in Canada and not be tied to any specific employer. Accompanying family members can also settle in Canada with the principal applicant. So, how can you take advantage of Express Entry transport occupations draws? Which transport occupations are targeted by Canada in this special draws? To be eligible for this special transport occupations draws, you must be working or have experience in the following occupations. They include managers in transportation, railway carmen, women, aircraft mechanics and aircraft inspectors, air pilots, flight engineers and flying instructors, air traffic controllers and related occupations, deck officers, water transport staff, engineer officers, railway traffic controllers and marine traffic regulators, transport truck drivers, aircraft assemblers and aircraft assembly inspectors, among others. Ensure you identify the regulatory requirements for your profession if regulated in Canada. How to become eligible for Express Entry transport occupations draws. Before you can be eligible for the transport occupations draws, you need to be eligible for an Express Entry managed program. Express Entry is an immigration application management transport that uses an expression of interest intake model for various Canadian immigration programs. To immigrate, you must submit your profile to the pool of candidates so that Canada knows you want to immigrate. Then, Canada invites you to apply for permanent residency if you meet certain conditions, including a points total based on various factors. IRCC will only accept your profile into the Express Entry pool if you are eligible for one of the following immigration programs: Federal Skilled Worker FSW, Canadian Experience Class CEC and Federal Skilled Trades FST. From there, based on the documents and information you send showcasing your work experience, education, age, and official language ability, You will receive a score on the Comprehensive Ranking Score (CRS). Your CRS score is an important factor as to whether you receive an ITA in a round of invitations, also known as a draw. When IRCC holds an express entry draw, it issues invitations to the highest scoring candidates. In an all-program draw, IRCC only invites the top-scoring candidates in the pool. In a category-based draw, IRCC invites the top-scoring candidates who may meet the eligibility criteria of the draw's category. Transport Occupations Express Entry draws are category-based draws. To be eligible for the Transport Occupations category, you need at least 6 months of full-time work experience in an eligible occupation within the past 3 years. As compared to the general all-program draw where the average score invited for ITA for permanent residency application has been between 524 to 560 in the last 6 draws or within the last 6 months, the Transport Occupations Express Entry draws has been averaging 430 to 435 within the same period, being around 100 to 120 points less than the general draw score, which makes your chances higher to be nominated. The Comprehensive Ranking Score (CRS) points are awarded differently, depending on whether the applicant is married or single. To qualify as soon as possible for this targeted draw, ensure you target maximum score in the below. For core or human capital factors, for someone with a spouse or common law partner, age, level of education, language proficiency and work experience will fetch you 100, 140, 150 and 70 points respectively, giving a total point haul of 460. While for someone without a spouse or common law partner, age, level of education, language proficiency and work experience will fetch you 110, 150, 160 and 80 points respectively, giving a total point. Spouse or common law partner factors give a total of 40 points, being 10, 20 and 10 maximum points for level of education, language proficiency and work experience. Skill transferability factors give a maximum of 100 points, with 50 points each for education and work experience. So, folks, get down to work and be on the move to Canada as soon as possible. And that brings us to the end of today's video regarding the remarkable news from Canada with the new Canada Permanent Residency PR Express Entry targeting transport occupations in 2024. If you found this information valuable and you're eager for more most updated information and immigration tips to successfully migrate, then kindly like and share our videos and subscribe to this channel. Then don't forget to hit the notification button to have all our latest videos produced. If you need help, however, with specifics or individualized services in particular, please feel free to contact us at visapathfinders@gmail.com and let's create this success story together. Thank you and see you at the next video.